Hello everyone. So today we are going to review this Money Robot automatic link building software. So this is the software which is used to create backlinks. Here you can create hundreds and thousands of backlinks where you don't have to do anything. You just have to enter few details, sit back and relax. So this Money Robot software is for blog owners, SEO companies, big corporations. So this software creates backlinks from various sources like Web 2.0 blogs, social network posts, social bookmarking, web directories, wiki articles, press release, article directories, Web 2.0 profiles, and it's listed here. So we'll do one thing, we'll just go to the software and have a look. So let's get started. Okay, so once you click on this software, once you open this software, as you can see, this is the option for new campaign, process window, keyword research settings, live chat contacts. There are various options. So what we will do is understand how to use it, and I'll give you a feedback on that. So first of all, we'll create a new campaign here, and in this we'll just name a campaign, say dog training campaign. So suppose if my blog is a dog training campaign, suppose if my blog is dog training. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just enter the URL of the website. So this is a demo website. This is not mine website. So I'll just enter the money site URL. This is our main website for which we want to get the backlinks. So this one is keywords. Here you have to enter the keywords on which you want to rank your website for. Suppose say puppy training and dog training. So these are the two keywords. So once you enter the keywords, here you will get the articles. You just have to click on this generate article. Money Robot has an inbuilt article generator which will automatically create articles which will be submitted in different platforms like Web 2.0 blogs. So this will take some like few minutes. So after that I'll show you. Okay, so now article is automatically created. This is a spin article in which Money Robot will automatically spin the article. As you can see, it has created various versions of the article. And on the right hand side, as you can see, this is the SEO strategy. So whenever you are looking for a high competition keyword, you better use this high competition. And if it's a low competition keyword, then there is no necessary for you to use the high competition strategy. You can use a simple low competition strategy. You can also modify the strategy once you are used to the strategies and everything using Money Robot. You can just modify the strategies here. And one more thing, as you can see here, there is an option. So whenever you are using a high competition strategy, it's better you keep the days of submission over 7 to 10 days, because this Money Robot will automatically create hundreds and thousands of backlinks. So if Google come to knows like thousands of backlinks have been created in one day, that is actually impossible for a normal human being to create that amount of backlinks. So that will look totally unnatural. So it's better you keep the spread of the backlinks for like more than 10 days, considering a normal human being can create around 15 to 20 backlinks per day. Okay, so once that's done, so what I'll do, I'll just keep it for 5 days and I'll just run now start campaign. So here the campaign is automatically created. Now Money Robot will do, it will create automatically accounts on Web 2.0 profiles, social media handles, article directories. It will automatically submit the articles and create a backlink to your money website. So as you can see here, there are around 7,500 websites in this money robot, and there is option for settings as well. As you can see, you have to keep these options by default. Here you can see you can also use different captcha service, but it's recommended that you use the free captcha service, and also you can use the money robot proxy system, that your system's IP is not exposed to Google. And here is the theme option, you can change to different themes. And also this captcha service is freely available on the money robot. So this one is automatically creating accounts. So my review on this money robot submitter will be, if you are a beginner, so I will definitely recommend money robot over RankerX, because this is very easy for beginners. And also here the captcha service and the proxies, it's freely available. But in case of RankerX, if you see my RankerX review video, there you have to purchase first of all the captcha service that you have to purchase, and also the proxies you have to purchase it separately. And this money robot software, if you get it for lifetime, it's cheaper comparatively to RankerX, because RankerX is available at around $1,000. This is just around $499. You also get discount if you buy it through the below link. Just click on the link and you'll get the discount. So definitely, if you are a blogger and you're looking to generate backlinks, this money robot submitter is definitely recommended for you. And also you can earn money online by creating services on Fiverr and Upwork for backlink creation, where you can earn thousands of dollars by taking the gig for backlinks. I hope you like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.